Hey guys, Ryan Dement. I hope you guys are having a great day. Tuesday, and I'm going to do another follow-up video with some data, and I'm going to use Redfin to show you guys some overall arching trends here in Maricopa County. But before I go there, I want to just show the craziness that's going on in the media world with the housing market. So let me share my screen. Hold on one second. All right, guys, let me go over here to Yahoo News. So, got inflation, how fast your local housing market is cooling amid the great deceleration, as told by two interactive charts. Home affordability has collapsed in 2022. What to expect next, according to Bank of America, IRS, federal jury convicts on bank fraud tax. Okay. Market should brace for fire and ice. Morgan Stanley executive warns of recession and even bigger paradigm shift. Crypto, economy is going to slow. Ukraine. I mean, it's all over the place, but we're back to housing again. So there's this housing overall arching, and I know it's what we talk about, but all of a sudden it's mainstream. It's what the topic's to be. When we were talking about it months ago that things are going to start slowing down, things are going to start correcting. And now all of a sudden, everybody wants to be involved in the market when they don't have a story to tell when we were talking about it 6 months ago or longer. And this is what I wanted to show you guys on Redfin. So Redfin, I just went into Maricopa County and I'm just going into all filters. I haven't even changed anything. This is the default setting that they have. So you can see there's roughly 11,000 homes. It says 11,000 plus homes available. I am just going to do, for illustration purposes, houses and townhomes, which will get us down to 8,712 houses and townhomes. So there's two things I look at, to see what's going on. First, or one of them is time on Redfin, and it gives you a breakdown all the way up to 180 days. Okay, that's one. And then I scroll down here a little bit further, and the last piece I look for is price reduction. So in the last day, 421 homes out of 8,700 have already had price reduction. So I'm just going to go 30 days. Let's just go 120 days back. 14 homes, not a big deal. 60 days, 68, not a big deal. More than 30 days, 250. Now, in the last 30 days, 2,772. So we are over a quarter of the homes on the market today in the last 30 days have had a price reduction. Goes down in the last 14 days. Last 7 days, 1,600. In the last 3 days, 656. So not that bad. So on market is what I really wanted to look at. So new listings in one day, 231 new listings. In the last 3 days, 552. In the last 7 days, almost 2,000 listings. A quarter of what's out on the market has come, what's listed on the market has come to market in the last 7 days. So what is that telling us, guys? It's telling us that people are worried about FOMO and the sellers want to get on the market before they miss their ability or chance to sell. The other thing is the market is topping, and we know that, but these sellers think that they can still get top dollar. And like the video I showed you guys yesterday, I'll link it in the show notes. A house sat on the market for 45 days and they had to reduce it $100,000 to get it sold. I don't know about you. I don't want to take $100,000 haircut. It's not worth it. So at this point, you got to do what you got to do. But let's see in the last 3 days. 552. So it's starting to top. We're starting to see a difference in the market, but in the end, guys, don't try to time the market. You can't time it. Just keep an eye on it and know what's going on. In the end, it has to make dollars and cents for you. And if you are trying to time the market, it's ultimately going to catch you and it's going to throw you off. So know the data, know your market, get help from an expert, a realtor, or somebody that you trust to give you that information before you make that big financial decision of buying a home. All right, guys, I hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you guys on the other side.